Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I am to discuss one new chapter. The chapter name is what, sir? The chapter name is Introduction to Algebra. Okay, so this chapter basically very important chapter. Okay, so at first you should get ready. Clear? So now let's start, everyone. So at first we have to know what, sir? Algebra. The definition we have to know it, and few theory part also is here, so that one also we'll discuss. Clear? So at first please you should get ready and you should try to understand. Okay, so see, in the previous chapter we already learned about the number system. Basically they are given that what, sir? Digits 0 to up to 9, all digits, and this type of, and so many numbers are there, their addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, so many problem was there. We did also. Clear or not? We did. So here also you can see the fill in the blanks, complete the following, this type of problem we did or not, sir? Yes sir, we did it. Okay, so basically in this chapter, this algebra, will do this type of problem. Okay, but here few variables are there, that one we will discuss it. So at first we have to know that what is algebra. Okay, so algebra is a new branch of mathematics. Okay, algebra is a new branch of mathematics, is called here algebra, where that 4 operations will be there: plus, minus, multiplication and division. 4 operations will be there. Okay, and another thing means that few variables will be there. Variables means a, b, c, d up to z. We can use any variables. Okay, means instead of a we can write here 1, 2, like that. We can use it according to the situation. We will use that numbers or digits. Okay, that means these are called for, sir, variables. That one also we will discuss what is variables. Variables are 2 types of variables are there, that one also we will discuss. Okay, basically we know that ABCD, what, ABCD up to Z, these are what, letters, no? So these type of, these all letters we will use it with what, sir? 4 operations: plus, minus, multiplication and division we will use. Okay, and number also, number means 0, 1, 2, 3 up to dot dot dot. We know that the 9 up to 10, 9 total 10 digits are there, so this one also we can use it. Sir, with the help of digits we know that we can make the numbers 10, 11. Okay, because with the help of digits we can make the numbers, so that one also we will use it in this algebra. Okay, that means algebra is a relation with operations. Operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, with variables and numbers. Clear or not? Okay, up to this one clear, sir? Okay, so again here given, see, algebra. What is algebra? We know it, this one. So algebra, what, sir? Algebra is a general form. Algebra is a general form of arithmetic. Just now I told you algebra is a general form of arithmetic. General form of arithmetic. Okay, where we are using what, sir? Letters. Letters means a, b, c, d up to z. Okay, with numbers, with numbers. Clear? With numbers. And operations will be there, sir. What operations? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, these type of operations also will be there. Clear or not? So this is the definition of algebra basically. So algebra is a general form of arithmetic where we are using that variables. Variables means letters, basically a, b, c, d, e up to dot 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 z, with numbers. Okay, and operations also will be there. Operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Clear? Concept clear, sir? I think clear. Okay, and if you have doubt, you inform me, otherwise you can write the message in comment box also, you can write it, no problem that one. Okay. Okay, so see this type of letters we are using, no, a b c d, a b c d dot 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 z. Clear or not? We are using. Okay, so here suppose here value of a equal to suppose 6, 7, 8, this type of means this type of digits we can use it, or this type of numbers also we can use it. According to the situation we will use it. Okay, so that's why it is telling here variables, means it is varying, no? So that's why a b, the values of a b c d, these are what? Varying. So that's why we are saying that this type of letters are called variables. Okay, clear? Okay, so here given, see, variables and constants, variable and constants, these two important things are here, that also we'll discuss it. Okay, so in algebra I told you that a b c d up to z we are using that variables. Okay, these are what are unknown quantities, these are what a b c d dot 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 up to z, these are what sir unknown quantities, because we don't know the value, unknown quantities. Okay, unknown quantities. Okay, so these unknown quantities are called what, sir? These unknown quantities are called variables. Clear or not? Again I am telling what is variables. a b c d d, a b c d e up to z, that we know that this type of values, letters, what? Unknown quantities. Okay, these are what? Unknown quantities. So this type of unknown quantities are called, sir, variables. Clear or not? And values of these letters or unknown quantities are varying. Okay, means it can vary. So that's why we are telling that these are what, sir? Variables. Okay, clear or not? And another thing that another name of variables are called literals. Another name of variables, okay, another name of variables are called, sir, literals. Okay, literals. Clear or not? Another name of variables are called literals. Okay. So two types of variable, that two types of okay, coefficient also is there, that one also will discuss it. Coefficient, constant part also is there, that one also will discuss. At first variables complete, now constant part. Which one constant part, sir? Which one constant part? Suppose see x plus 5, we are taking one example, x plus 5. Okay, so I told you, no, this is algebra. No, algebra is a relation between variable and that number with the operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. I told you. Clear? So here also given, suppose one example here given, x plus 5. Okay, so this is example. So here x is what, sir? X is variable, and 5 is what, sir? Constant. 5 is a constant. Clear? 5 is a constant value and x variable. X is a variable, so means that values of x, it can vary. So that's why we are telling that is variable. Clear? Suppose I am telling here x plus 5. No, here 5 is what, sir? Constant. 5 are what? Constant, and x variable. Clear? Suppose if we put the value of x, if we put x equal to 1. Okay, we put x equal to 1, we get, what do you get, sir? 1 plus 5 equal to 6. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Clear or not? If x equal to 2, we get what, sir? 2 plus 5 equal to 2 plus 5 equal to what, sir? 7. That means it is varying. No, it is varying. Try to understand. Okay, that means we are putting the values of x 1 2 3 4 dot dot dot, any number. That means that that value also, x plus 5, that values also it is changing, means it is varying. Clear or not? Suppose x equal to 10, x equal to 10 means we are getting x plus 5, means we are putting that value of x equal to 10, so 10 plus 5, that means 15 we are getting. 15 we are getting or not? 15 we are getting. Clear? So that's why that x is a variable. Clear? Concept clear, sir? Clear? Not only that plus, we can do that minus also, we can do it, x minus 5, x into 5, okay, x into 5, okay, and x divided 5 also we can do it, means we can do it addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, clear? Up to this one clear? Now see here, 5 is there, what sir? X minus 5, 5 is what sir? 5 constant value, 5 is a constant value and x is a variable, x variable and 5 constant. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Okay. But here suppose one example given here, 5x, one example given 5x. Okay, so here 5 is a constant value, here 5 is a constant value. No sir, that is not constant value, that is called what sir? Coefficient. That is called what? Coefficient. Coefficient of x. 5 what sir? 5 is a coefficient of x. Always remember that. Clear? Understood sir? Clear or not? We will discuss it. This type of problem we will discuss. Okay, this type of problem we will discuss. So constant part clear? Constant part clear? Clear or not? Otherwise, if we take another example, constant part also will be clear like that. Suppose x minus 3. So here 3 is a what? 3 is a constant part, or minus 3, basically we can say that minus 3 is a constant part. Okay, clear? Minus also we can take it, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2, minus 1 by 2. These are what sir? These are what? These are constant. Clear? Understood sir? Clear? Okay. Now operations on variables and constants. Okay, operations on variables and constants. Okay, so I told you that another name of variables what sir? Another name of variables what? Literals. Okay, literals. So here we are using basically what sir? Addition, subtraction, 4 operations. I told you before also, I discussed already. What sir? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, this type of operations we are doing. Clear? We are doing or not? We are doing. Okay, next what? Addition of variables and numbers. Addition, this one also just now I already discussed. Clear? Addition means like that. Suppose here y also here one variable, y plus 5. Okay, clear or not? Clear? Suppose z plus 9. So these are what? Here y, z, these are what sir? These are variables. These are variables. Clear? Clear or not? And here 5, 9, these are what sir? 5, 9, these are what? Constant value. These are what sir? Constant value. Clear? Understood sir? Variable and constant, clear? And operations also we can use it. Here we are using plus, we can use subtraction also. Y minus 5, here also z minus 9, like that. Okay, we are using in various cases, we are using that various type of operations, plus, minus, subtraction, means minus, subtraction, multiplication, division, this type of operations we are using here. Clear? Up to this one clear? Okay, next what sir? Next given addition also. Okay, complete. Okay, next given sir, here few properties here given. What is the properties sir? Properties name commutative property. Property number 1, commutative property for addition, associative property of addition, additive identity and additive inverse. Okay, 4 properties, very very important. 4 properties here given: commutative, associative, additive, identity and additive inverse. Okay, just see, and this type of property is very important. Just I am little erasing. After that you will see that very important properties are there. First here given, sir, what? Commutative property. Commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition. So see, commutative property of addition means like that, where we can use that variables. Suppose here x, one variables, x plus y, two variables we are using, x and y, two variables we are taking. So x plus y equal to y plus x. That is what, sir? Commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition. Clear? Understood this one up to? If we take that one example like that, if we put the value of x and y, x equal to suppose 2, y equal to 3, put it. This is left hand side and that is right hand side. If we put it here, left hand side, in left hand side we will get what, sir? 2 plus 3. Clear or not? Clear? That means we are getting, sir, 5. Clear? Okay. Similarly here put it, the value of y at first what? 3 plus 2. Okay, so 3 plus 2 we are getting what, sir? 5. That means in left hand side we are getting 5. Similarly right hand side also we are getting 5. Okay, so these are what, sir? It is the commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition. Understood? Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Next what, sir? So commutative property of addition means what? X plus y equal to y plus x. Two variables if we take it, আমরা যে কোনো আমরা two variables we can take it. Okay, so instead of that variables, if we put that values, so we'll get it the answer. Your concept will be clear. Okay, next property is what, sir? Property number 2, associative property. Associative property. Okay, associative property. Associative property is telling here, if we take three variables means x, y, z. Okay, three variables if we take, x plus y plus z equal to x plus y plus z. Associative property of addition. Associative property of addition. Okay, so x plus in bracket y plus z equal to x plus y in bracket plus z. Okay, so now if we put it, that value of x, y, z, suppose here x equal to 2, y equal to 3, z equal to 4. If we put it, so what do you get, sir? Here what do you get? So x means 2, no? 2 plus y plus z, y plus z means here 3 plus 4. Okay, here we are getting here 2 plus 3 in bracket plus 4. Clear? Understood? That means if with that little calculation we will get what? 2 plus 3 plus 4 means what? 7. And in right hand side we are getting what? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4. Okay, 5 plus 4. So left hand side we are getting what? 7 plus 2, 9. And right hand side also we are getting here 5 plus 4, 9. So same. It is same or not? It is same. So that means this is associative property of addition. Clear? Anywhere, any numbers we can take it instead of x, y and z. Okay, otherwise you can change the variable also, that one depend on you. Clear? So that means we are getting same values in left hand side as well as right hand side. So that means this is associative property. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Okay, next what, sir? Additive identity. Additive identity. Additive identity of addition. Additive identity, suppose see, if we take one variable x, okay, and additive identity 0, means if we add 0 with x, what do you get, sir? 0 plus x, clear, equal to x, clear or not? Clear. That means if we take that the value of x equal to suppose 2, so 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, and here 0 plus 2 equal to 2, same thing is coming or not? 2 plus 0 also 2, 0 plus 2 also 2, equal to 2. Clear? Clear or not? Clear. So here we can say that 0 is called, this 0 is called what, sir? Additive identity. Additive identity. Okay, 0 is called additive identity. Understood? Clear? Okay. Next what, sir? Point number 4 or property number 4, that is called additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse, okay, of addition. Additive inverse of addition. So what is this, sir? Additive inverse of addition. See, if we take one variable x, so x we are taking here x plus, so inverse of this x, what, sir? Inverse of this x will be what, sir? Minus x. Inverse of this x equal to what, sir? Minus x. So that one also we will take it, minus x. So x, and as well as we are taking that inverse of that value, means that variables minus x, and we will do what? Addition. And if we do addition, we will get what, sir? We will get what, sir? We will get minus x plus x equal to 0. Try to understand this one. X we are taking, okay, and inverse of this x equal to minus x we are taking. Clear or not? Inverse of x equal to, we are taking what, sir? Minus x. Clear? Okay. And if we at first, if we write that x and inverse if write minus x, and if we do that addition, x plus minus x equal to minus x plus x. Minus x at first, if we write that minus x, at first we will write x minus x, and after that plus x, and if we do the addition we will get 0. Okay, this is the additive inverse property, and your concept will be clear if we take one example. Suppose if we take x equal to 2, okay, just put it that instead of x we will put that value of x. So 2 plus minus 2 equal to minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Clear? Up to this one clear, sir? Up to this one clear? Okay. So now see, 2 plus minus 2. This 2 plus minus 2, what, sir? 2 plus minus 2. Remove the bracket. 2 here plus, inside minus. So plus minus minus. 2 minus 2. Clear or not? 2 minus 2. Here also remove the bracket. If we remove the bracket, what do you get, sir? Here minus 2. Okay. So minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Clear? Understood? Up to this one clear? Okay. Now see, this plus 2 and minus 2, we can cancel it, and if we do the cancellation, we will get what, sir? 0. We will get 0 or not? We will get 0. Similarly, here minus 2 plus 2, here minus 2 plus 2, if we cancel it, we will get what, sir? 0. We can get it 0. Clear? So that means our property is, that a property is true, or property is true. Understood or not? This property is true. Clear? Understood? That means we can say that additive inverse minus 2 is the additive inverse of plus 2. That means minus 2, otherwise you can take minus x also, you can take it, minus x is the additive inverse of x. Clear? Means plus x. X means what? Plus x only. Okay, minus x is the additive inverse of plus x. Clear? 4 properties clear, sir? I already given the example also. I hope clear your concept. So total 4 properties are there. First, commutative property of addition. Second, associative property of addition. Next, point number 3, that additive identity. And next, point number 4, additive inverse of addition. Okay, clear? This one for addition we are getting. Similarly, we will get that. Similarly, we will get it in multiplication also. Okay, in multiplication also it is applicable. Just check it once. It is applicable or not? Okay, check it once. So if we take it first for multiplication, we will take multiplication. Just at first I am just little erasing, after that you will see it. Additive property means commutative property, associative property, all properties are there for multiplication. Just little wait, after that I will discuss it. Here basically at first that your algebra part first concept should be clear, and if your concept clear, so you can do easily that easy chapter. All problems are easy chapters. Okay, means very easy problems, so you can do it also by yourself. Clear? So first of all, see at first multiplication. No, so first property, what sir? First property, commutative property. Property number 1. Commutative property on multiplication of multiplication. Okay, so commutative property, sir, see, if we take two variables x and y, if we take it, so we can write what, sir? Multiplication, no? So x into y, because we are doing multiplication, x into y equal to, in right hand side we can write what, sir? Y into x. Clear? Because for addition it was where? It was x plus y equal to y plus x, no? For addition, this one for addition. Understood? So x into y equal to y into x. This is the commutative property of multiplication. Okay. So now see, if we put the value of x, suppose x equal to 2, y equal to 3, put it. So that means we can write what, sir? At first 2 into 3 equal to, here y at first, no, the value of y what? 3, so 3 into 2. Okay, so 2 into 3 means what, sir? 2 into 3 6, 2 into 3 6. Similarly right hand side also we are getting 3 into 2 6. Clear? So same thing is coming or not? Left hand side as well as right hand side, same thing is coming or not? Yes, the same thing is coming, means our property is correct. True. Clear or not? Means our property is satisfying. Commutative property of multiplication. Understood? Clear? So this is the property, commutative property of multiplication, that x into y equal to y into x. Understood? Clear, sir? Clear or not? Okay. Next what, sir? Next, second property, sir, associative property. Associative property. Associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication. Okay, associative property of multiplication. See, associative property was there for addition. It was there x plus y plus z equal to x plus y plus z, like that. If we take three variables x, y and z, so x plus in bracket y plus z equal to x plus in here x plus y, here x plus y, x plus y, x and y will be in bracket. Okay, here x plus y will be in bracket, because first in left hand side we are taking y and z together in bracket, so second time in right hand side it will come in in the x and y together in bracket. Clear? That one was what? Addition. Now we are doing what, sir? Multiplication. Okay, so that means if we take three variables x comma y comma z, that means we can write x into in bracket y into z equal to x into y bracket close into z. This is the associative property of multiplication. Clear or not? Clear? Understood? Same type is coming. There was addition, here multiplication. Okay, so now we have to check it that this is our that associative property is satisfying or not. That means if we put that values x equal to suppose 2, y equal to 3 and z equal to 4, just put it here. If we put it here, so we'll get what, sir? 2 into in bracket 3 into 4 we are getting, okay, into in left hand side we are getting here what, sir? 2 into 3 into 4. Clear or not? Understood? Okay, after that what, sir? After that 2 into in bracket, at first bracket portion at first we have to do it. So 3 into 4 what? 12. 3 4 is 12 equal to 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4. Clear or not? Understood? Now 2 into 12 means what, sir? 24. 2 into 12 24, and here also we are getting in right hand side 6 into 4 24. Same thing is coming or not, sir? Left hand side is same as well as right hand side, same thing is coming. Clear? So that means our property is correct. Associative property of multiplication satisfying. Clear? Clear or not? So x into y in bracket y into z equal to in bracket x into y into z, that is associative property. Clear? Understood? Next point number 3. Point number 3 was there, sir? Additive. There was additive identity. Okay, additive identity. So here will be what, sir? Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay, that is point number 3. See, so multiplicative identity, no? If we take one variable x, okay, if we take one variable x into 1, because multiplicative identity 1 we are taking, because for addition it was what, sir? It was 0. X plus 0 equal to x was there, because additive identity 0 is the additive identity, 0 is the additive identity. But for multiplication we will take, sir, 1, because if we take the 0, the 0 into something means that will be 0 only. Clear or not? Clear? So that means x into 1 equal to 1 into x equal to x. Clear or not? Clear? X into 1 equal to 1 into x equal to x. Here 1 is that, sir? Here 1 is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Clear? Clear or not? Multiplicative identity. Understood? Clear? Okay, so x into 1 equal to 1 into x equal to x we are getting. Suppose if we take the value of x equal to 2, just put it here. 2 into 1 equal to 1 into 2 equal to 2 or not? Equal to 2. See, 2 into 1 means what? 2 only. 1 into 2 means what? 2 only, equal to 2. That means our property is satisfying or not? Clear? That means multiplicative identity is satisfying. Understood? So that's why we can say that 1 is the multiplicative identity. But for addition it was there what? For addition it was 0. 0 is the additive identity. But for multiplication we are taking 1. Okay, that is the difference. Try to understand. Okay, because if we put it here 0, so 0 into something means that value will be what, sir? 0. So that's why. Clear? Understood? Next, sir, point number 4. Point number 4 was, sir, what? There was additive inverse. Okay, and here will be, sir, what? Multiplicative inverse. There was additive inverse. additive inverse. Okay, additive inverse. But here we will get what, sir? For multiplication we will get, sir, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Clear? Multiplicative inverse. So see, what is that multiplicative inverse? For this purpose only we will do like that: x into 1 by x equal to 1 by x into x equal to 1. Okay, so see why, sir? Because we are taking one variable x, and multiplicative inverse what, sir? Multiplicative inverse are x to the power minus 1. X to the power minus 1 means 1 by x. Okay, 1 by x is the multiplicative inverse of x. 1 by x is the multiplicative inverse of x. So that's why we are taking here x into 1 by x. We are multiplying x into 1 by x at first. After that we can write there 1 by x into x equal to 1. Clear? And for addition it was there what, sir? For addition it was there x plus minus x was there, because for addition, no, suppose if we take here x equal to 2, so plus 2 minus 2, it will be 0. Clear? But for multiplication, multiplicative inverse, if we take x equal to 2, we are getting what? If we take x equal to 2, so 1 by x will be equal to what, sir? 1 by 2. Just put it here. So 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into 2 equal to 1. We are getting or not? Check it once. So 2 into 1 by 2, 2 will be cancelled. Clear? Here 2 will be cancelled. Clear or not? So that means we are getting 1 or not? Left hand side, right hand side, same thing we are getting, 1 we are getting. Clear? So for multiplication we are getting 1, and for addition it was there what's a 0. So that's why 1 is called that multiplicative identity. 1 is called, I already told you, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Clear? And similarly the property number 4, multiplicative inverse, we are discussing, no, multiplicative inverse. So that's why 1 by x is the multiplicative inverse of x. Clear? 1 by x is that multiplicative inverse of x. Clear? Clear or not? Because if we multiply these two things, 1 by x and x will get, sir, 1. Okay? Clear? Understood? Okay. So these are the 4 properties for multiplication, and I told you before that addition also there are 4 properties. Clear? I hope clear, sir. And if any doubt, please you inform me, I will help you again, otherwise I will explain again. Okay, so up to this one today. So theory part, at first your concepts will be clear, so that's why from first we have to see the formulas means basically here what is algebra, introduction to algebra, then operation, the numbers, and operations of algebra, operations of variables and numbers. These are the things you have to see it. Okay, and if you see that your concept also will be clear, and you will see the videos also, that is also important. Okay, and try to understand. So that is your homework. What is your homework, sir? Theory part you have to see properly. Theory part. Clear? Clear or not? That is your homework. I hope clear. Even in doubt, please you inform me, I will help you again. So that's all up to this one. So take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.